2 cubes on the wall. Oh yeah. You probably don't really care. No offense to myself. So Bahia142 gave me a challenge, or BAHIA 142. Bahia142 gave me the challenge to do some kind of relay while holding my breath. Right now, I don't have a clothespin. We don't have a clothespin, which is kind of sad, but we don't right now. So I'm going to, I hope you guys just trust me here that I'm holding my breath, and I'll try to get at an angle where you can see my face in the cube. So I'm going to do 2x2 through 4x4 relay, 2, 3, 4, holding my breath. So I'm going to scramble and talk more about this. So I just want to say that you guys can challenge me. I will do it on weekends and any days where I don't have camp. And today's I don't have camp because it's July 4th. So I mean, normally I make these only on weekends, but I don't have camp today, so it's good. I will do almost any challenge. I'm willing to try them and make them as hard as I can. But don't just say, like, you know, get a sub 10 solve on camera. I'm already doing that, actually. I'm already trying to do that. Or don't say, like, get this certain time. Make it action-packed. Or something you've never seen someone do. And, you know, I'm one of the few people that will take any challenge. A lot of people won't take any challenge. They'll just take certain ones. I'll take pretty much any one. So, yeah. So, let's just make sure you can see my face. Wait, inspection? I don't have to hold my breath on inspection. That's how I'm going. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. I should have taken a bit bigger breath. Fail number 1. So I'm gonna keep this 4x4 to scramble, and then re-scramble the other 2 cubes. You want the Toronto video sooner than comment, because it seems like no one really cares. Wait, inspection. I can't do it! It's like 25. Like 25 seconds. Alright. Okay. Okay. I'm not losing my motivation this time. I better not fail. Just these 3. Actually, guys, I did fail, but I'm just gonna try it again, because you know what? I think the reason that I kept doing worse because I was losing my breath, but it's been about 30 to 45 minutes, and I think I could survive doing, you know, these 3. Yeah. So I'm saying I pretty much did fail it, but now I'm just gonna, after 30 minutes, I'm gonna try it again, if you know what I mean. Yeah. None of the reactions were really funny, so I'm just gonna hope I can do it this time. I need to get a yawn out. Alright. And also, I want to say that a lot of the videos, you couldn't really see my face. You could only see the cube. So this one, I'm going to go like really forward so you could see both. I'm just going to go 3, 2, 3 actually. I think that's a little bit better of a technique. Yeah, I did change the order because I messed up. Dang! Oh, so close. I was on the 2x2. Just need 4 more seconds. That was my record for holding my breath. Probably gonna do worse this time. One more. I'm just gonna do the 2 3x3s first. Because I kind of want to, oh sorry. These 2 3x3s first so I can get the 2x2 out of the way. Let's go farther. And inspect. Make sure I can do the best possible. Oh! Oh. Okay. I'm done. I can't do it. I can't do it. Oh, but I have to complete the challenge. Alright, I'm gonna do it. Okay, I'm doing 2 3x3s because there's this. I hate it. Messed me up. I pretty much did 2 3x3s before. But I slightly cheated. Okay, let's go. I bet you if I fail one more time, you guys will stop watching so I can. Now I'm losing my breath again. +2. You don't know how much that hurt. You know what? I did do that before. I did a 2x2 and a 3x3, but I cheated. This time, I actually didn't cheat. Like, I could feel my air coming right up here, and it was ready to explode right out. So yes, that was a +2, but I did take 2 seconds to hit the timer, so pretty much, yeah. Because I started breathing before. At one move, I didn't have time to hold my breath any longer. Oh, that was hard. It was 40.117. Okay, thank you for watching that. Go ahead and leave your suggestions down below. I will do it. Just don't make it deadly, because it's pretty much the hardest, pretty much the most deadliest I'm gonna get. Alright. Comment, rate, favorite, like, subscribe. Rating and liking is the same thing, but liking is more specific. That was useless.